Collisions are dangerous and can change the course of our season unexpectedly. We do our best to stay safe on the snow, but what happens when, despite our best efforts, space just runs out?
People don't have the spatial awareness training, say, that us employees do. People ski through things too fast. People don't understand how much space they need to stop in case somebody zigs and zags in front of them. A lot of times, people don't have their head on a swivel like we train to. They don't think about that. And what we can do best, and we do with our safety program, Mountain Safety and Ski Patrol and the rest of us that all get together and try to educate our guests and the public, is let them know how much distance they need in between. We usually recommend, particularly early season when we don't have a whole lot of train open and there's a ton of people out on the trail passing each other and crisscrossing and beginners and all that good stuff. We try to tell people, like, keep 30 feet. We'll actually put out a rope down in the base area and show people what 30 feet actually looks like. So we recommend that. Collisions happen basically, they're accidents. Some people are out of control, backseat skiers. Some people catch edges and throw that GS turn and cut right in front of other people, and people just need to be aware that the sport has those kinds of consequences.
If you ever witness a collision or are involved in one yourself, you need to call Ski Patrol so statements may be recorded and Patrol can ensure mutual contact information is exchanged. This is a requirement for all employees, whether on or off duty, at all of our resorts. Scene overview should be the first thing that comes to mind. Weather conditions, snow surface, traffic, and visibility should all be evaluated before entering the scene. Never put yourself in danger. While moving around the scene, make sure you have the appropriate traction and are visible from above. It's important that you always maintain situational awareness. Once the scene is secure, you can then address those involved in the collision. If there is an injury, help them feel comfortable, but do not move the injured person. Call Patrol and be prepared to provide the location of the scene and describe the chief complaint of the injury. Keep the scene safe and request both parties stay together until Patrol can arrive. Finally, as a witness, you'll be asked to fill out a witness form and describe the incident that occurred. If you are ever in a collision while working, contact your supervisor or manager, let them know of the situation, and work with them on the next steps. It's important the situation is understood. When an employee, on or off duty, is involved in a collision, the employee will be suspended from any further work until the situation involving the collision is fully understood. When a collision happens, you may be exposed to liability, so a review of the situation is needed to understand the next steps. After an investigation of the incident, if it's deemed there was no misconduct by the employee, they will be paid retroactively for any scheduled workdays during the period of suspension. Remember, you're an ambassador to your mountain. Work to educate our guests on the responsibility code and the importance of slope safety. Keeping yourself and your students safe is one of your primary responsibilities when teaching and is paramount for ensuring the lesson experience is truly an experience of a lifetime. Use the information in this video to keep yourself safe and to commit to the safety and wellness of our guests. If you have any questions after watching this video, please contact your supervisor or manager. Thanks for watching. Have a safe and fun season.